Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another. Ooh, sorry, that was loud. This is another trade recap video. Um, kinda. I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna explain this past week, May 18th to May 22nd. Yeah. Um, so bad news, fellas. I've been on a losing streak, and I've already beat myself up about it. So don't give me any. I don't want to hear it. I realized halfway through this losing streak that I was breaking my rules. I was kind of trying to avoid being honest with myself, but I knew I needed to be. So yeah, I've been six-day losing streak. Two of those days, two of those trades were honest losses. They were with small zones at market open. So with a small zone for me, I take an aggressive entry, and the trade just didn't work for those two. So the other four, however, began with the trade I took on May 13th. That is on YouTube. That's on that one I recorded. And you can see exactly how I messed up on that trade. And I end up repeating that mistake 3 more times. The exact thing. And so it's really frustrating knowing that I was breaking my rules and trying to wiggle out of it and say, no. With the medium-sized zone, I want to enter within the zone to minimize risk. So that way I can still put my stop loss outside of the zone where it's supposed to be. And instead, I see price tap the zone. It looks like it's going to take off without me. And so I enter above the zone, put my stop loss at the midpoint of the zone or with the candle that tapped it, just for price to come back deeper into the zone, stop me out, but not invalidate the zone, and the trade works. And yeah, so that was exactly what happened on 3 other trades. So that's what made up 4 trades happening like that, 2 trades happening with aggressive entries that just didn't work. So yeah. And unfortunately, the losses, each loss was not $150 like they should have been. They were a little bit more. And yeah. So if you look back at the last trading recap video, the one of May 12th and May 13th, my balance is right at the buffer balance of the prop firm that I use. So I was eligible to take out withdrawals with the win that I had on May 12th. But then May 13th happened, I lost. Last Friday I lost. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I lost. So I'm not near my buffer balance anymore. I am now at $25,700. So I am $700 away from blowing my funded account. And I would be freaking out if this were my only account. But the prop firm that I use had a sale about 2 weeks ago, one of the best sales that I've ever seen them have. And so I bought 4 other challenge accounts. And I intend on passing them fast. Much faster than I did to get my funded account. And so I'm risking about $200 to $250 per trade on my challenge accounts. And the progress that I've made is like incredible. I'm close to passing 2 of them. So yeah, I'm not freaking out, thank goodness. I'm not being too hard on myself. I've realized the mistake. My funded account, it's salvageable. But I'm also being realistic, and I mean, there is the possibility that I could blow it. I'm trying not to be too attached to it. I think the only reason why I am is just because it took me so long to get it. But if I end up blowing the account, I should be okay, because I have these others that are close. And so yeah, come Tuesday, since Memorial Day, markets will be closed, or I'm not planning on trading on. I think you still technically can with Japan and London being open, but I'm not trading Monday. So Tuesday, coming back with the discipline and the patience that I had before. Like I said, it's salvageable. I'm not giving up. I'm not going to beat myself up about it. Just onwards and upwards. And yeah, so that's the update. I did not record, or maybe I did. I just haven't looked back at them. I think there may have been 2 trades that I recorded this week. Both losers. So I don't know if I'll post them. I might. And combine it with this. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for being interested in my journey. Wish me luck for next week. I actually don't think I'll upload this until Memorial Day, so yeah. I think that's it. I need to come up with like an outro. But until then, cheerio.